What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to buy the PSG fan token, the only fan token at the moment that you can buy in the United States, and I'll be showing you guys here which exchange to buy it. Now in the future, when you could buy more fan tokens in the United States, I'll be the first one to make that video, so subscribe and put on the notification bell for that video in the future. So the exchange that you will need is this one called right here, Gate.io. Now if you still have not made an account on this exchange, you can use my referral code in the description below and you'll get discounts when you guys buy cryptos on this app. Now it might be a little overwhelming using this app, but I'm going to show you guys here step by step how to buy the PSG fan token. When you guys make this app, all you need is an email and a password. This exchange is KYC free. As you guys can see, you could add it if you want to, but you don't need to in order to buy crypto. So you don't need to give them your ID or anything like that to buy crypto on this exchange. So let's get started here. After you make your account and all that, first step here is obviously to get money to Gate.io. And since this is a KYC free exchange, they don't offer ACH bank transfers. The way that I do it, which is very low fee, and that is I buy a crypto on another exchange like Coinbase Pro or Gemini, and then I send that crypto over to my Gate.io. Then I sell that crypto to USDT, US Tether. If you guys want more detail and step by step on how to do that, I actually made a video that I'll leave right here in the cards on how to do that exactly using Gate.io, how to transfer money to Gate.io and transfer your crypto over here so you can buy any altcoin on this. Alright, great. So you finally transferred it over, you sold it, and now you have USDT, which you can buy other cryptos here. This is how you buy the PSG fan token. All you gotta do is right here in the main page, you're gonna go to the search bar, click on search right there. And then here you're going to search PSG. And you want to tap on the one that says PSG/USDT spot. And then here it's kind of overwhelming, but don't worry. I'll show you guys here exactly what to do. Here on the right, this number in the middle, that's the current price of this token, which is 33.47 at the moment. Here you can change from limit order to time condition. What I like to do is use limit order. And then here under, that's the price they want to buy it at. Okay, so if you want it to be the same price, if you want it to be instantly, all you gotta do is tap on that and then click the current price. See, I tapped it and I clicked the current price, it updates it. Alright, the next thing here is the amount of coins that I want to buy for this. But what I recommend to do is, let's say you just want to put in 50 bucks into this, right? All you gotta do is go right here to the volume, and then you put how much dollars, how much USDT, which is equal to dollars, you want to buy worth of this token, this PSG token. So let's say I got $100. I just want to put 50 bucks. I put 50, and then right here, as you guys see at the top, it tells you how much tokens you'll get for 50 bucks, which is 1.48. So then after you got all that done, all you gotta do is click buy. And then after you click buy, click confirm. You're gonna put your fund password that you create in the beginning of your account. In your account, you're gonna create a password for your account, and you're also gonna create a fund password for when you buy crypto. You put it once and then you can buy for that amount of time period. So then after you buy that, it's going to show up here in the orders. It might not go through right away because, like I said, the price is always consistently changing. If it takes too long, you can cancel and then redo it with the current price. So then after this appears right here, it finally goes through. All you got to do is go right here to your wallet to see it. Go to your wallet, then click on spot account. All right. And it should be right here. As you guys can see, I have it right here. It tells you how much you have of it. And then here it tells you how much equal it is to US dollars. And then let's say in the future, you don't want to keep it here on Gate.io. Maybe you want to transfer it to somewhere else. All you got to do is go right here to withdraw. And then here in the withdraw, all you got to do is put in the new address that you want to send it over to. So you can definitely withdraw out of this exchange if you don't trust it, or if you just don't want to keep it here for a certain amount of time. So like I said, guys, at the moment, this token, this PSG token, is the only one that you can buy on this exchange in the United States. Like I said, in the future, when you can buy the other tokens like BAR, City, I think ACM, all these other teams, right? When you can buy them in the United States, I'll make a video on that as soon as possible. So subscribe, put on the notification bell so you guys can know when I make that. And yeah, that's how you guys buy the PSG fan token using Gate.io. Like I said, use my referral code below with discounts on fees. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much. Join my free crypto group on Facebook and Reddit, and also check out my Patreon. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.